the 18th of November 2023, and we're in St. Paul, Virginia with our friend Kevin. Hey Kevin.
Hello.
And we've come to see the Santa train, so we're waiting.
As my wife Marcelle mentioned, we are in St. Paul, Virginia to take our first look at the 81st running of the CSX Santa train. In 2020 and 2021, the train did not run because of the COVID crisis, but last year and this year it was running full steam. For those of you who regularly follow the channel, this is a slight departure from the videos we normally take of trains on CSX and Norfolk Southern. This time we wanted to capture the spirit of this wonderful event. This year, an estimated 15 tons of food, toys, and clothing was donated by companies and individual people. As the train was heading up to Shelby Yard, Kentucky from Kingsport to get into position for the trip south, traction motors on one of the specially painted streamlined locomotives at CSX-T1 and CSX-T2 burned up. Therefore, CSX had to take two locomotives off a freight train at Shelby Yard to lead the other two locomotives for the Santa train. This disappointed many rail fans to the point that they did not care to chase the train, but I don't think this made any difference to the kids. Besides, we had not planned to chase the train as we just wanted to take in the atmosphere of the event.
This is the longest stop that they have on the trip.
Ooh.
15 minutes.
Okay, thanks.
Enjoy.
You too.
Thank you.
From what I have researched about the Santa train, gifts were tossed from the train along the way where people were standing near the tracks. While this may have been done without incident, it was decided around the year 2000 to have the train stop at 13 selected spots between Shelby Yard, Kentucky and Kingsport. This was done to ensure safety for everyone. St. Paul was one of the larger communities along with Elkhorn City. Because of possible copyright infringement, I unfortunately had to mute the sound because of music playing in the background once the train arrived. In 1943, CSX predecessor, the Clinchfield Railroad, along with merchants of the Kingsport, Tennessee area, began the tradition of handing out presents to families of mostly coal miners along the route of the Clinchfield from Elkhorn City, Kentucky to Kingsport, the Saturdays before Thanksgiving. Miners in those days made only enough money to provide the necessities for their families. The Santa train provided much joy for their children, not only seeing the train, but receiving gifts tossed out by volunteers riding on the train. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please press the thumbs up button, subscribe, and share this with others. Until next time, please stay safe. Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6 reads, "For a child will be born to us, a son will be given to us, and a government will rest on his shoulders, and his name will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Eternal Father, Prince of Peace." Just wishing you all a very Merry Christmas.